Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove audio from a video using Canva. So Canva is not only useful for creating an entirely new video, but it is also can be used to modify an existing video. For example, you could remove the audio content from the video. For example, I do have this video. This is a commercial video from Volvo, and I think this is a really good commercial video. I think maybe some of you have been watching this commercial before. So there is a narration and there is also a music on this video. I'm going to give you just a bit of this video. I don't want to show all of them because I don't want to be struck by copyright claim. So I'm going to show you just the first 5 seconds and another 5 seconds in the middle of the video. So here's how.
I've had my ups and downs, my fair share of bumpy roads and heavy winds.
And I'm going to show you this.
Where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
Okay, so as you can see, or as you can hear, there is audio on this video. So I'm going to remove that. There are 2 methods. The first method is the easiest. What you can do is you can select this video and go to audio, and you want to disable the volume. You want to mute the entire video. You can click on it, and when you play it back, there is no audio. It's just nothing. It's mute. So that is the first method. But personally, I don't like this method because sometimes, most of the time, you want to just remove an audio from a specific section. If that is something that you're looking for, then I do recommend the second method. So the second method goes like this. I'm going to unmute again, and I highly recommend to enable the thumbnail view, and the duration is also enabled. If you are using a video template, you don't have to do that because it's already open, but in case you don't, then you have to visit thumbnail view and then open duration. So this will allow us to see the clips and tracks of this video. So after that, you can click on the video again, and you want to click extract audio. And this orange section, this orange track, is the audio of this entire video. Okay, let's say I'm going to play it back.
Bumpy roads and heavy winds. That's what made me what I am today. Now I stand here before you.
Okay, I'm not going to play the entire thing, but as you can see, this is make it easy to modify this audio. For example, I could just want to remove the section between this and this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the playhead, the black line right here, right click on it, and I'm going to split audio. I'm going to move it somewhere right here, right click and split audio again. So here I could, for example, I could remove it. I could also just disable the volume, just make it mute. So this is what it's going to sound like.
That's what made me.
It's mute for the entire thing. There's nothing, but if you go back, there is audio.
A pair of legs engineered to defy the laws of physics.
So yeah, or you can also just right click and delete the entire thing if you want. Delete track, and it's got, there's no audio file. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can remove audio from a video in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.